Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about websites. So today's worldwide online presence is the most important. So I just created a personal portfolio website for me. It's not perfect, there are so many things that I'll add later. For example, resume, all the contact details, किस चीज को देना है वरना सब आके access कर लेंगे. And there are so many things that could be added, but after 1 or 2 days of thinking and editing, and we have just built our first personal portfolio website. And theme ये totally आपके ऊपर है, but this is the particular theme I chose, and I'll just show you quickly. And we'll also be hosting it on our first domain, which I got free of cost. And if you want to know how I created my first personal portfolio website, I have no coding experience, and how I got this domain hosting for free. And I just hosted this domain for free. And as you'll be watching this video, this website will be hosted on my domain. I'll just attach the link below so you can even check my personal portfolio website. So without wasting any time, let me just show you my first personal portfolio website. Okay, guys, so I'll just show you quickly to my website. So here is our website. We have, for example, jitne bhi sections aapko chahiye, you can add it there. But currently, what we have is our, one second, I'm just adjust the camera. Okay. So currently, what we have is a about section, the different worlds. So I'll just explain it to you what we have. Projects that, I'll be adding on in the 3 months. We'll be building a lot of projects together, and I'll be explaining it to you properly. And then you can connect with me on various social platforms. And other than that, if you want to talk, then we can even do that. So first I just added an animated version of me, right? Ekdam casual wear hai. So this is me, right? Animated version. And then hey, and this is a little about me. You have entered the portfolio of Aman Malu and all that. And then if you go down, right, so यहाँ पे भी कुछ adjustments करने हैं. For example, I'm thinking कि इसको toggle करने से कुछ functionality add कर सकते हैं, but as of now we have just kept it there, no use. And then here as we go down, it's a little about me, so you could either scroll or just click the about section and we go down. इधर अगर आप लोग देखेंगे तो एक फोटो है black and white. If I hover over it, then it just gets colorful. Nothing much. And then about me section, a little about me, currently undefeated, age 19. This was a little creativity. You could do whatever. Cleared CFA level 1, lifting consistently and documenting my whole journey with you guys. So this is about, about section. And then this is what I'm animating, right? So as you can see, cities I will conquer. So this is the places I want to visit, right? I want to visit a lot of places, go on their solo trip with my family and everything. So I've just showed you that here. So if you see in here, there are different animations. So यहाँ पे obviously we'll add, for example, if I just rotate it, you can see in specific places we have this cards, right? Yeah. So if you could see that, then just like this, we'll be adding it in our different places. For example, beach का add कर दिया वो छोटा सा icon छोटे छोटे जगह में, and these are the places, some of the places that I want to visit. So this is about this section. And then as we go down, I've added three. So what my channel is about, right? It's mostly currently is about fitness, right? I want to post it, but I'm just waiting for some time, to research a bit more to provide you guys a quality information. Other than that, we cover finance. Like as you have seen, most of my videos are related to finance, finance careers, finance information, and all that. And then lifestyle. So as we get more and more as we grow together, I'll just be posting about all the lifestyle things. For example, as in food, how do I travel, what about my career and every single thing. Then as we go down, right here, I'll just be adding about my skills. So video editing, graphic designing, equity research, Excel, Python, all that which are required for finance. And as you can see, Excel ka level maxed out. You could see here, right? 4 lines out of 5. Python, we are like pretty basic stage, so it's just 2. So this is some of the things that I did. Other than that, you see things I have built. So here I have to edit a lot of things, right? This is just two basic equity research reports. So I want to go into investment banking space, something that is in front end role, right? So skill obviously you have to edit, but this is the most basic version. And even you can see I just spotted a mistake here. The text is not properly visible. So I even need to adjust that, right? Because if someone reads this, they wouldn't know, right? And then as we go down, why if you here we have our three socials. So if I click Instagram, then why मेरा Instagram खुल जाता है. You can go there and follow me. 213 followers, not bad. Thank you for your support. And then if you go to LinkedIn, then my LinkedIn opens. If we go to YouTube, then by YouTube खुल जाएगा, right? And then yeah, okay. So a video will be added here that you're currently watching. Okay. Then as we go down here, we have a send a message button. So most of the personal portfolio website, like people give you prompts, for example, build me this, build me that, and they just go into Claude and it builds like a proper HTML file, and then you won't know how to, host it, how to get a domain for free if you're a student. And even if you're not there, like various ways you can get it. And then those you have designs, बट उसके हिसाब से कस्टमाइजेशन कैसे करते हैं, आई हैव डन दिस ऑल फॉर फ्री. एंड देन फॉर एग्जांपल, if I could just show you, right, if I just okay, I'll just blur it out. So let's just say I just paste some, 1 second, x@gmail.com, and phone number 12345 and then message me, let's say ASD something I just posted here, right? And then if I just click send message here, right, it will take 2 to 3 seconds. And then as soon as it's sent, right, I have a Google sheet जहाँ पे सारा information. So if you see any organizations, right, यहाँ पे जो भी है, या फिर subscribe to me, my newsletter and all that. So as soon as you write your mail ID and all the information here, and as soon as it updates, it actually goes into a Google sheet. तो उसके लिए भी थोड़ा information चाहिए. You could do it within 5 to 10 minutes. बट ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन में गूगल शीट में दिखेगा विद द टाइम स्टैम्प कि भाई टुडे 18th of March, whatever, at 5 6 p.m. I got this message from XX person. Here are his doubts, and I could reply him via mail or phone number, whatever got. So this is one of the functionality. Then if you go down, here's my education, CFA level 1, and then all this certifications. I could even add the certificates if I want in here. So that if any company से कोई आ रहा है देखने के लिए, so they could see it. So yeah, this is the overview, and then these are the sections. तो भाई यहाँ गए. And then this is a theme, right? So this blue color theme, I just liked it a lot, so I just used it. And there is one more thing I wanted to tell you, so currently it's not visible. So as soon as you open a website, right, so once again, yeah, as soon as you open a website, let's say, तो भाई ऊपर जो टैब्स दिखते हैं ना, उधर इफ यू हैव ओपन यूट्यूब, देन यू विल सी कि भाई यूट्यूब का लोगो है. बट what I see in most of the websites, even like proper educational ones or even normal portfolio ones, that they have how do I say it, उन लोग के में lovable, अगर तुमने lovable से बनाया तो lovable का logo होगा. So if any guy comes and see it, it just doesn't look professional, right? So these basic things needs to be corrected so that even if it's a simple website, it just looks professional. So these are some of the things, and if you don't want to waste time in all of this, you could just comment it in here, right? I'll personally message you, and we could build a portfolio website for you as per your requirements. So that's totally optional, and that's totally on you. If you want it, then you can comment it. And then, so this is a total overview of what we have built. So if you want, like a total breakdown of how I've built it, and if you want to learn it too, tell me in the comments. If we get 50 likes, we'll build a personal portfolio together from start to finish. Maybe half an hour to 1 hour का video होगा, but you'll get to know everything from this globe. Where to find these elements, to how to actually post it in GitHub, how to connect it to the hosting server, how to get your free domain, for free, whatever. For example, amanbalu.me. That's my domain that I've got for absolutely free for 1 whole year because I'm a student, and these are some of the perks that you should know about yourself, right? So everything will be covered in that new video. If you just get 50 likes, I'll quickly make that video. And yeah, guys, so this is about our website. And then light में आके बात कर. So if you have any other doubt, भाई, do let me know. We'll cover it in our future videos. Anything related to fitness, finance, everything we are preparing for High Rocks. So everything will be covered in this channel. So if you like the content, like, subscribe, and if you have any feedbacks, do tell me in the comments. And till then, let's keep growing. Bye bye.